8th chapter, differential equations. This chapter belongs to mathematics 2B, part 17. Last part completed. Non-homogeneous case 2 model problems are completed. Important problems. Today discuss unexpected case 3 in non-homogeneous model problems are discussed. First problem is what here? dy by dx is equal to 3y minus 7x plus 7 whole by 3x minus 7y minus 3. First of all, this can be written as standard form. dy by dx is equal to, first you can write minus 7x plus 3y plus 7 whole by 3x minus 7y minus 3. This is equation 1. In equation 1 comparing with standard form, what is that? dy by dx is equal to ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash. Understood or not, friends? In this case 1, case 2, case 3, starting to all problems are similar. You can do that. That's why a value is equal to minus 7, b value is 3, c value is 7, a dash value is 3, b dash value is minus 7, c dash value is minus 3. Suppose this is which case? I don't know. That's why first we have to take first case. B is equal to minus a dash. Possible or not? B value is 3 is equal to minus a dash value is not possible. First case is not possible. You go to second case. A by a dash is equal to b by b dash. This is possible. A by minus 7 by 3 is equal to b by 3 by minus 7. Here minus 7 by b dash value how much? 3. Here 3 by minus 7. Here this is minus 7 by 3. Here minus 3 by 7. This can be 3 by minus 7 nothing but minus 3 by 7. These also be not equal. Minus 7 by 3 equal to minus 3 by 7. This is not equal. That's why case 2 also be not possible. If case 2, case 1 both are not possible, that is case 3. In this case 3, what is the working rule? Put x is equal to capital X plus h, y is equal to capital Y plus k. You can write first. After that, dx is equal to d capital X, dy is equal to d capital Y. After that, dy by dx, you can write d capital Y by d capital X. In this equation, 1 implies d by dx is nothing but d capital Y by d capital X is equal to minus 7 into small x value is capital X plus h plus 3 into y value is y plus k plus 7 whole by 3 into capital X plus h minus 7 into capital Y plus k minus 3. Understood or not? Simply, sir, here this non-homogeneous differential equation comparing, after that is case 1 or case 2 check. This is not case 1. Case 1 is not satisfied. Case 2 also be not satisfied. That's why that is case 3. In this case 3, this total is the working rule. You can write in this equation 1, in place of x plus h, in place of y plus k, in place of dy by dx, you can write d capital Y by d capital X. Completed. After the simplify, d capital Y by d capital X equal to minus 7x minus 7h plus 3y plus 3k plus 7 whole by 3x plus 3h minus 7y minus 7k minus 3. Just multiply internal. First you can write variable one type, another one. Minus 7x is a variable plus 3y is a variable plus minus 7h plus 3k plus 7 whole by 3x minus 7y plus 3h minus 7k minus 3. This can be written as dy by dx is equal to minus 7x plus 3y plus of minus 7h plus 3k plus 7 whole by 3x minus 7y plus of 3h minus 7k minus 3. Understood or not? In this case, in this step, understood or not? These values are similar. This value we can write this in this way. This total value, we have to take 0, put minus 7h plus 3k plus 7 equal to 0 and 3h minus 7k minus 3 equal to 0. You have to take this 2 is 0. After that you can find this value, h value, k value. These 2 are 0. Which value of h, which value of k, that 2 are 0 you can find. First of all you can write intersected point hk1, here hk is available. After that you can write 3, 7, minus 7, 3, minus 7, minus 3, 3, minus 7. You can write this one is h by minus 9 plus 7 into minus 7 minus 49, you can write plus 49 is equal to k by 7 3s are 21 minus 7 into minus 3 minus 7 into minus 3 plus 21, that is minus 21 is equal to 1 by minus into minus plus 49, 3 3s are 9, 21 get cancelled. H by 40 is equal to k by 0 is equal to 1 by 40. Then h by 40 is equal to 1 by 40. K by 0 is equal to 1 by 40. H is equal to 40 40 cancel, h value 1. K value 0 into something, that is 0. K value 0. You get k value 0. If h value 1, k value 0, these two values are equal to 0. And in that case, what is the dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to minus 7x plus 3y whole by 3x minus 7y. This total value equal to 0. This total value equal to 0. These two linear equation with the two variables are 0. If h value 1 and k value 0, that time only that two linear equations are 0. This is the remaining term. This is homogeneous or not? The degree of x is 1, the degree of y is 1, both are equal. Degree of x is 1, y is 1, both are equal. This is homogeneous. Homogeneous which form? dy by dx form. That's why you can write put 2. Here capital by capital X is there. You can write capital by capital X. Capital Y is equal to Vx. Capital Y equal to Vx. Then V is equal to capital Y by X. Similarly, you can write dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. These values are substituted in the above equation. This equation, you get what? dy by dx value v plus x into dv by dx. All values are capital here. Minus 7x plus 3 into y value is vx whole by 3x minus 7 into y value is dx. After that, you can write v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, in this two term x can be common, minus 7 plus 3v. In this two term x can be common, 3 minus 7v. In this two term x get cancelled. Remaining what friends? Remaining what? Here you can write remaining what? v plus x into dv by dx. v plus x into dv by dx is equal to minus 7 plus 3v by 3 minus 7v. Understood or not? After that, you can separate a variable and separable method. Understood or not? This is the case. This is very difficult, very large, very lengthy problem. This problem not asking intermediate public examiner, sometimes asking unexpected problem. Okay, students, understood or not? In this way problem, this is case 3. This v goes to here, you get what? X into dv by dx is equal to minus 7 plus 3v by 3 minus 7v. This v goes to that side, minus 3 by 1. After that, x into 3v by dx is equal to, we have to take LCM. 3 minus 7v is the LCM. You get minus 7 plus 3v minus v of 3 minus 7. After that, you can write what? X into dv by dx is equal to minus 7 plus 3v minus 3 into v minus 3v minus into minus plus 7v square whole by 3 minus 7v. Understood or not, students? This step minus 3v plus 3v get cancelled. X into dv by dx is equal to 7v square minus 7. 7v square minus 7 whole by 3 minus 7v. 3 minus 7v. After that, this is total v terms. This is the dv. this terms goes to here, this x terms goes to here, you get what? 3 minus 7b by 7b square minus 7 is equal to 1 by x into dx. In these two terms, which one is common student? In these two terms, 7 get common, v square minus 1 into here dv is there, dv equal to 1 by x dx. Here variables are separated, but some steps are completed after that integration. Here you get here 7, this 7 goes to here into 7, 3 minus 7v by v square minus 1 into equal to 7 by x into dx. Here we can separate this one, 3 by v square minus 1 dv minus 7v by v square minus 1 dv is equal to 7 by x dx. Understood? Separated. This numerator 3 by 7 will be separated. After that, integration on both sides. Here 3 get common, integral 1 by v square minus 1 dv minus 7 common, integral v by v square minus 1 dv is equal to 7 common, integral 1 by x dx. Understood or not? This 3 common, integral 1 by v square minus 1 dv. Here 7 common, v by v square minus 1 dv. 7 into integral 1 by x dx. After that, this v square minus 1 derivative what here? V square minus 1 by 2v. Here 2v is not there. That's why you can multiply 2 and divide with 2. Here this is v square minus a square. X square minus a square form is there. What is the integration of x? 1 by x square minus a square. 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. 3 into 1 by 2a. A value is 1. This is x, this is a. Log of v minus 1 by v plus 1 completed minus 7 by 2. This f dash is by f of x form. You can write log of f of x v square minus 1. You can write that is equal to 7 into log x plus you can write all terms of log, you can write log c. After that 3 by 2 log v minus 1 by v plus 1 minus 7 by 2 log this v square minus 1 square and a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b is equal to 7 log x, you can write log x power 7. This 7 goes to that power plus log c. After that, here this 2 term 1 by 2 get common, 3 into log a by b, log a minus log b. You can write 3 both. Minus 7 into here also b, log a into b formula, log a into log b, log b plus 1 plus log b minus 1, log a plus log b equal to log e. This is log a b formula, this is log a by b formula, log a minus log b, minus 7 into log a plus log b, this 1 by 2, this 1 by 2, both are common, is equal to log a plus log b, log a b, x power 7 into c. After that, this 3 log of b minus 1 minus 3 log of b plus 1 minus 7 log of b plus 1 minus 7 log of b minus 1 is equal to this 2 goes to that side, 2 into log x power 7 into c. Understood or not? This x is which x? Capital X, not a small x. This is very important point, students. Capital X, this is. After that, here 3 log b minus 1 minus 7 log b minus 1 equal to minus 10. Minus 3 minus 7, you can write here 3 log of b minus 1 minus 1. Total, how much? 3 log of b minus 1 minus 7 log of b minus 1, you can write minus 4 log of b minus 1. Minus 3 log of b plus 1 minus 7 log of b plus 1 minus 10 log of b plus 1 is equal to, we can write this one is log x power 7c whole square. Understood? After that, this can be as log of b minus 1 whole power minus 4. This minus 4 goes to power. This one is written as log of b plus 1. This minus 10 goes to power minus 10. Log of x power 14 into c square. Log a plus log b, log a by b, log a plus log b, log a into b, v minus 1 whole power minus 4 into v plus 1 whole power minus 1 is equal to log of x power 14 into 6. Here log will cancel. V minus 1 whole power minus 4 into v plus 1 whole power minus 10 is equal to x power 14 into c square. After that this will be as v value what here? V value is what here? Y by x minus 1 whole power minus 4. Y by x plus 1 whole power minus 10 is equal to x power capital X. This is capital X power 14 into c square. Y minus x whole power minus 4 whole by x power minus 4. Understood or not, students? This one here y plus x whole power minus 10 by x power minus 10 is equal to x power 14 into c square. Here this will be written as y minus x whole power minus 4 into this will be written as y plus x whole power minus 4 into y plus x whole power minus 6 whole by x power. Bases are equal, power should be added. 10 minus 10 minus 4 how much? Minus 14. See students, y minus x whole power minus 4, y plus x whole power minus 10 you can write y plus x whole power minus 4 into y plus x whole power. Bases are equal, power should be added, you get same answer. After that x power minus 4 x power minus 10 and x power minus 4. Here x power minus x power 14 into 6. After that these two values you can write y minus x into y plus x, y minus x into y plus x whole power minus 4. This can be as y plus x whole power minus 6. This x power minus 14 goes to numerator, x power plus 14 is equal to x power plus 14 is here. Both are cancelled. Remaining constants, remaining what here a plus b a minus b can be a square minus b square, y square minus x square whole power minus 4. Here you can write y plus x whole power minus 6 is equal to 6 square. Understood? After that we can write this one is 1 by y square minus x square whole power 4. This will be 1 by y plus x whole power minus 6 is equal to 6 square. Next this value goes to here, this value goes to here. You get constants. Here we can write y square minus x square whole power 4 into y plus x whole power. This minus 6 goes to denominator, plus 6 is equal to 1 by 6 square. You can write capital Y value. Here small y equal to capital Y is equal to y minus k. Y minus k value how much here? K value how much here? 0. That is capital Y is equal to y. Similarly, capital X is equal to you can write x minus h. Capital X is equal to x minus h value how much here? 1. You can write these two values in this equation. Y square minus of x minus 1 whole square, whole power 4 into here what is the value? Capital Y value is y plus x minus 1 whole power 6 is equal to 1 by 6 square. Nothing but you can write capital K or C or anyone. Here you can write this formula, x minus 1 whole square formula. You can write a plus b into a minus b formula. First you can write a square by a square minus b square formula what? A plus b, y plus x minus 1 into y minus of x minus 1 whole power 4. This can be as y plus x minus 1 whole power 6 is equal to some constant k, another constant k. This can be as x plus y minus 1. This can be as y minus x plus 1 whole power 4. This can be as x plus y plus 1, x plus y plus x plus y minus 1 whole power 6 is equal to some constant k. You can write 1 by 6 can also be correct. Here x plus y minus 1 whole power 4. Here y minus x plus 1 whole power 4. Here x plus y minus 1 whole power 6 equal to 8. Here x plus y plus 1. Here x plus y plus 1. Bases are equal to what should be added? 6 plus 4 10. X plus y minus 1 whole power 10. Y minus x plus 1 whole power 4 is equal to some constant. This is the solution of the given non-homogeneous differential equation case 3. This is very lengthy problem. This problem sometimes asked unexpected. Paper of this model problems are asking time is waste problems. Okay students, this problem you can do that by using process. First of all you can use process, you can easily understood in this model problem. In this model case 3 in non-homogeneous differential equation, dy by dx equal to 6x plus 5y minus 7 by 2x plus 18y minus 14. Suppose we have to take this is one. Any one problem you can do that similar model. Here this is comparing with ax plus by plus c whole by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash. A value is 6, b value is 5, c value is minus 7, a dash value 2, b dash value 18, c dash value minus 14. Here b is equal to minus a dash is possible, b value is 5 equal to minus a dash is not possible. A by a dash equal to b by b dash is not possible or not check. 6 by 2 is equal to 5 by 18. This is also be not possible. You goes to case 3. Put 2, you can write small x is equal to capital X plus h, small y is equal to capital Y plus k, and dx is equal to d capital X, dy is equal to d capital Y, dy by dx is equal to you can write d capital Y by dx in this equation 1. You get remaining answer. These are the hint of this problem. Remaining answer you can do that previous problem model. First substituted xy values, after that h comma k find, after that is homogeneous in the form of dy by dx y equal to vx. You can write homogeneous a variable separable method. You can use integration. Last you can write all values in terms of x. Understood or not? In this way you can do the non-homogeneous. In this non-homogeneous case 1, case 2, case 3 model problems are completed. Explanation also be completed. Exercise 8D also be completed. Okay students, this is the non-homogeneous differential equation problem and topic. Okay.